Every cricket fan has asked this question at least once. What if a talented player had received more opportunities? What if politics, poor management, or bad decisions had not stood in their way? Cricket history is filled with players who possessed world-class talent but never achieved what they truly could have. Some were dropped too early. Some were ignored despite incredible performances. Others became victims of poor planning and management. Today, we're looking at cricketers whose careers might have been much greater if their boards had handled them differently. Mohammad Amir, the career that could have been the GOAT. When Mohammad Amir burst onto the scene in 2009, many experts believed they were witnessing the next Wasim Akram. He had pace, swing, accuracy, and the ability to trouble the world's best batters. At just 18 years old, he was dominating international cricket. Then came the spot-fixing scandal of 2010. Although Amir eventually returned and helped Pakistan win the 2017 Champions Trophy, many believe his prime years were lost. Imagine if Amir had played continuously from 2010 to 2015. How many wickets would he have taken? How many records could he have broken? Cricket fans will never know. Ahmed Shehzad was often compared to Virat Kohli during his early years. He scored heavily at domestic and international levels and looked destined for a long career. However, inconsistency, disciplinary issues, and changing management plans repeatedly disrupted his progress. Then there was Umar Akmal. Few middle-order batters possessed his natural talent. He could attack pace and spin equally well and had the ability to change games within minutes. But despite flashes of brilliance, his career never fulfilled its promise. Many fans still believe Pakistan failed to properly guide and develop one of its most gifted batters. India has produced countless cricket stars, but not every talented player received a fair opportunity. One of the most discussed examples is Ambati Rayudu. For years, he performed consistently in domestic cricket. Many expected him to represent India regularly. The biggest controversy came before the 2019 World Cup when he was overlooked despite being considered a strong candidate for the squad. Another example is Wasim Jaffer. He scored mountains of runs in domestic cricket and became one of India's greatest first-class batters. Yet his international career never reflected his true ability. Then comes Vinod Kambli. A childhood friend of Sachin Tendulkar, Kambli possessed extraordinary talent. He averaged over 50 in Test cricket early in his career. Many believed he could become one of India's all-time greats. Instead, his international journey ended far sooner than expected. Few bowlers in cricket history were as exciting as Shaun Tait. Capable of bowling above 150 km per hour, he terrified batters with raw pace. At his best, he was nearly unplayable. Unfortunately, injuries repeatedly interrupted his career. Australia often struggled to manage his workload effectively. As a result, fans only saw brief glimpses of what he could do. Had he remained fit, Tait might have become one of the most feared fast bowlers in cricket history. What could have been? The saddest part of sport is that potential cannot be measured. We can count runs, we can count wickets, but we cannot count opportunities lost. Would Amir have become Pakistan's greatest fast bowler? Would Umar Akmal have scored thousands more runs? Could Vinod Kambli have challenged Sachin's records? Could Shaun Tait have rewritten fast bowling history? Their careers remind us that talent alone is not enough. Sometimes, the difference between a legend and a forgotten star is the system around them.